Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I have taken a very good scenario, that is how to load the exchange rate via Fiori app. I am personally using this for my data migration and implementation project. So this is the Fiori app you can use for data migration purpose, and this up to 1000 record you can load, okay, with this Fiori app. So let me click on this one, download the template. You can download the template. So you can come below here, you have template, download it and open this template. Okay, so this is a sample SAP has given, you can use this. I have already downloaded and fitted the data, so to save the time, then I will explain it and paste it here. Okay. So this is 01 standard, this is from into currency, this is your exchange rate type, this is the date. Okay, like when you maintain even manually also in the OB08 you give the date, effective from or applicable from. So this is YYMM and DD format, YYMM and DD format, and this is the exchange rate, and this is the your factor 1:1 or 1:100, that one, and here the exchange rate you are giving. So here I have given the duplicate data just to make you understand. So you can see this on this date. On this date I am giving three exchange rate, this. On this date other parameter is same, only exchange rate is different. So when this scenario is there, system will consider the last one. Okay, in all the duplicate it will consider last one, two first two it will ignore. Okay, and practically it is correct also, because on same date you cannot have the multiple exchange rate ideally. And then this is USD to INR, and this is another date. Okay, this is 80. So now let us load this one. To load, go to here, browse. In this I have given the data, load it. System will tell also. Okay, okay, so sorry, the 02, it cannot be 30, it should be 28 date. Okay, so that is the mistake. Let me change the date. This should be 0 in February, you have 28, so it should be 28. Save it and close it. Go here again, refresh, choose it. Okay, now you don't have error. So he see here the first two line item is getting overridden, means it is not loading here. So it is telling that this and this line item is getting overridden by this one, meaning that since this three line item is having same values, only this line item will get uploaded. This is what it is giving the error, I mean warning message in this one. Okay, so out of this only this will be loaded. Okay, only this will be loaded. Okay, that is the reason it is telling me this is the fourth line item, so this will be, and this one, so only two line item will be loaded. Import it. So it got imported. You can check in the ticker table, or you can go to OB08 also, you can check. So first one, 01, so give your date here. So I loaded 31st January. This is my date format in the system, euro to USD. Run it. So this is the 120 got loaded. Okay, this last one got loaded, and this is USD to INR on 28. So you can give 28/02/2023 and USD to INR. Run it. 80. Okay, so this got loaded 80. Now here is one more limitation. For example, 2 days after or 1 days after, again if you load on this same date by giving same parameter, then what by another exchange rate, then the previous loaded exchange rate will be overridden with new exchange rate. Okay, previous given exchange rate will be overridden. Let's say on this same date I'm not changing other parameter, only I'm changing the exchange rate. Okay, and I'm loading it again. Let's say only this I'm going to load so you understand. Let's say again I'm loading this one. Everything same, only exchange rate I'm changing. Unless say you made mistake after loading, you made mistake, instead of 80 instead of 90 you loaded instead of 90 you loaded 80 here. Okay, so what will happen, you just change the exchange rate. If all other parameter is same, then loaded exchange rate will be overridden. So this is either you consider it as an opportunity or threat, so be careful with this kind of load. So load it, import it. Okay, so instead of 18, 90 will get updated here. So here 19 got updated, 90 got updated. This is beautiful Fury app given by SAP. I am personally using for my data migration purpose. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel. Please subscribe the channel. Again, I'm requesting all of you. Just don't just watch. You have to contribute from your side also by subscribing the channel. Thank you so much.